Let's learn together.
Okay, this video tutorial is about how to apply circular sketch pattern. Okay, let's go for the example. Okay, I will sketch a circle first. Okay, to make a circular sketch pattern, I sketch a small circle. Okay, and then click right. Okay, I will set the diameter of the large circle is 7. Okay, and then the small circle is 1. Okay. Okay, I will make a small circle vertical with the origin of the large circle. Okay, and then click circular sketch pattern. Okay, that the parameter box is available. Okay, you can set the point, that direction. Okay, you can set the XY axis, you can set an angle. Also, you can set a number of the pattern. Okay, I will set the number of the pattern is 8. Okay, this is an example of the circular sketch pattern. Okay, let's proceed to the another example. Okay, I will sketch a small circle at here. Okay, and then click circular sketch pattern to make another circle at the circular. Okay, I set each number of the pattern. Okay, it's done. Okay, that's all for my video tutorial about how to apply circular sketch pattern.